Hello everyone, I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching our new chapter, The First World War, Khilafat and Non-Cooperation. So now I am starting my session. Listen carefully and pay attention. In the years after 1990, what occurred? We are watching here. We see the national movement spreading to new areas. After 1990, national movements spreading to new areas. We are watching here. Incorporating new social groups and developing new modes of struggle. How do we understand these developments? What implications did they have? So changes most of changes had occurred in those days. Most of social groups developing new modes of struggle. How this development came, we will watch here. First of all, the war created a new economic and political situation. First of all, we see the war created new economic and political situation. Then the economical condition and political situation is was become very difficult. It led to a huge increase in defense expenditure, which was financed by war loans and increasing taxes, because most of expenditure on war and taxes, also custom duties were raised, and so the difficult condition became then. Through the war years, prices increased, doubling between 1913 and 1918. So those days the prices became double, 1930 and 1980, between 1913 and 1918, leading to extreme hardship for the common people. And so the common people's life was become very difficult, and they're struggling to complete their amenities. Villages were called upon as supply soldiers, and forced recruitment in rural areas caused widespread anger then in 1918-19. So village were only used for providing soldiers, and so it's become very difficult condition for villagers, because their amenities had not completed, and the anger spread in all area. Then in 1918 to 19 and 1920 to 21, crops failed in many parts of India. Why the farmer become angry? Because their crops failed and their situation was become very difficult. So they angered on British rule, resulting inaccurate shortage of food. This was accompanied by an influenza epidemic. According to the census, 1921 to 12 to 13 million people perished as a result of famines and epidemic. And then the disease of crisis, influenza, and many people suffered for this disease. So the according to the census, 1921 to 12 to 13 million people perished as a result of famines and epidemic. People hoped that their hardship and would end after the war, but that did not happen. But people's people feel that their hardship will end, but not. This not occurred. The most of difficulties ultimately coming in front of them were coming in front of them. At this stage, new leader appeared and struggled a new mode of struggle. And so then new leaders appeared and struggles also coming in front of were coming in front of them. So now I am completing my short lecture. Namaskar.